Air Innovations Clean Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier Reviews. Today's topic is Air Innovations Clean Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier Reviews. Specialty of a Clean Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. Clean mist is the perfect way to describe ultrasonic humidifiers because they do not emit any type of harmful pollutants. The specialty of a clean mist ultrasonic humidifier is that it provides enough humidity to keep the nasal passages moist with any cold or sinus conditions. Air Innovations MH701 by Humidifier, Red. This is the humidifier to recommend for those with large or extra large rooms. The Air Innovations MH701 by Ultrasonic Quiet 1.70 gallon Cool Mist Aromatherapy Gate offers 5 mist modes. Air Innovations MH505A Humidifier. The MH505A Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier is great for medium rooms, up to 400 square feet. It features easy operation in a professional and expert tone of voice. Air Innovations Humidifier Whisper. The Air Innovations Model 701 by Ultrasonic Cool Mist Smart Humidifier is one of the top-rated, longest-running, and most versatile humidifiers available for its size. Air Innovations Compact Cool Mist Personal Humidifier. 1.37 gallon tank capacity. Great for medium-sized rooms. Easy operation.